what we're looking at here today is a Hampton Bay Gazebo Plus. So I got this fan off of eBay, new in the box, and it is from May of 2000. So not only is it one of the earlier Gazebo Pluses ever made, as of recording this video, it's already 24 years old. And yes, as I'm sure you can tell, this one is in the very uncommon Verde finish. So the Verde Gazebo Pluses were only sold for 1 year, making them making them not as easy to come across as the other two finishes. The other two being white and copper patina. The latter of which I'm still on the hunt for. And it's kind of funny because another Hampton Bay fan that came in Verde but only for 1 year is the Huntington 3, and I do actually have one of those as well as a video of it. Alright, now here's the light. And now here's the light. Alright, now here's medium. Now, as I'm sure you can probably hear, this fan does have a bit of a hum to it. So, yeah. Now for high. And there you have it. That is my Verde Hampton Bay Gazebo Plus. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.